Hi and welcome to your Pilates by Lisa Glow Abs Workout. Now we only have 5 minutes to work the entire core, so we're going to get straight down on the mat and get started. So come all the way down, lying in a neutral position, making sure the pelvis is nice and centered and flat. Your abdominals are pulled in firmly towards your spine, ribs are closed in, hands are behind the head interlaced, elbows are out nice and wide in your peripheral vision, and your chin is tucked in. You're sending your gaze towards your knees. Spread those shoulder blades, and you're going to lengthen your neck, tuck your chin in, and draw the abdominal wall in to lift up into your chest lift, lifting the shoulder blades just off the mat, and then lower back down. 9 more like this. 9, lifting up and lower. Draw the navel down deeper as you lengthen through the spine to reach up and over, curling, and then lower back down. And breathe out 7, make sure the pelvis is not moving at all. And breathe out 6. Good, just 5 to go. 5. And lower. And breathe out 4, keeping that neutral spine the whole way through. Keep that neutral curve through the back. 3, sinking the ribs down into the ground. And breathe out 2. And 1 last time. Now from here we're going to lower down. We're going to extend the right leg nice and long, heel slightly turned in, reaching at 45 degrees. As you bring the knee and curl up towards the knee, and then lower and lengthen everything out. And lift, bring the knee right in and lower. Keep those elbows wide. Keep the body nice and centered. And reach. Good, draw it in and lengthen. 6 to go. And 5. Curl those shoulder blades right off the ground. Lengthen your neck. 3 to go. 3. And 2. And 1 last time. We're going to keep the leg nice and long from here. Just keep it long as you lift it just above the hip. Curl forward, squeeze, and then lower back down. Keep the leg long the whole way through. 9. And breathe out 8. Breathe out 7. Draw that navel in. Pelvis stays centered. Chin stays tucked in. Breathe out as you lift. Good. Keep those elbows wide. Focus on your technique in this short and sharp workout. 2 more. 2. And 1. Now keep the leg nice and long. Reach your left arm overhead. Draw the navel in, and as you lift, you're going to reach for the outside of your leg. Stretch and lengthen, and then reach back up and overhead. Good. 9 to go like this. Curl that shoulder blade right up off the ground. Reach your shoulder towards your knee. 8. And 7. Good, just 6 to go. 6. And 5. Good, just 4 more. 4. And 3. 2 to go. 2. And 1 last time. Draw that leg down, place the hand behind the head once again, repeating that on the other side. So we're going to lengthen the left leg out nice and long. Draw the navel in, curl up as the knee comes in, and then reach nice and long. Good. 9. And lengthen. And 8. Good. 7 to go. Scoop the tummy in and squeeze. Just 5 more. 5. Shoulders stay nice and relaxed. 4. And 3 to go. Good. 2 more. And 1 last time. Keep the leg nice and long. You're going to lift as the leg lifts above the hips. Scoop the tummy in and lower down. Good. 9. And 8. Good. Think about lengthening your neck by pressing your hands up and into the head. Good. 5 more. 5. And 4. Collarbone wide. 3 to go. 3. And 2. One last time like this. Now keep the leg long. Reach your right arm overhead. Reach and stretch for the outside of that leg and lower down. So you're curling and using your obliques for the twist. Good, lift that right shoulder blade right up off the mat. 7 to go. 7. And 6. Good, just 5 more. 5. And 4. 3 to go. 3. And 2. 1 last time. Okay, let's take it up a notch just for this last 30 seconds. We're going to press the hands into the head. We're going to tuck the chin in, stretch out our flares, and we're going to lift the legs up into a tabletop position. Now stretch the right leg long and change. 9 and 8, 7 and 6, just 5 more, and 4, 3, lower the head down anytime that you need to. 1 last time, stretch those legs out. 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now last 10, reach. 10, 9, 8, 7, reach for the outside of that ankle. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hug those knees in. Relax. Just make nice small circles with the lower back. Releasing any tension. Relaxing your shoulders. Oh, there's a lot that you can pack into 5 minutes. Okay, straighten yourself out and we're going to rock up into a seated position. Well done on completing your 5-minute Glow Abs workout.